taking a history and talking to patients, you realize that in the back of their mind, they're really concerned not only about the care we deliver over here in the clinic, but they want to know, what's going on in that magic box on the other side of the hall, and they want to know, what is special about the lab that we created.
And I think it reassures them to hear that we really focused on that magic box too. When we built the lab, we focused on the air quality, we focused on instrument choice. We wanted to be able to offer the staples of IVF as far as ICSI and laser hatching, but then also the ongoing technologies as far as egg freezing and genetic screening, trophectoderm biopsy. These were all important to us. But I think once we had that all together, we started to focus more on who are the people in the lab and what are they bringing to our patients' care.
And putting that team together, I think, was the second most important piece of the whole thing. I mean, we get the technology in place, but to have these special people that can deliver the highest level of technical expertise, then can come out of the lab, interact with patients just as warmly as the clinicians, and make them feel comfortable that what we're doing behind the scenes is being handled with the utmost care and concern.
So I think that Sean and Robin really take a lot of pride in being able to interact with our patients and bring that care to what is a very technical part of our practice, but make it personal for the patients involved.
Yeah, I think it adds a dimension that I hadn't even really thought about, that they're naturals at caring for the patients the same way we are, and knowing that we're the adult medicine, they're the pediatric group. We are one cell to hundreds of cells patients that are in the back. We run the smallest intensive care unit in the building.
And when Robin greets them and says, I'm going to, your embryos will be in my nest, and then comes back to them when we're ready to place the embryos back for their embryo transfer, and gives them a hug and tells them everything looks great and is going to be okay, I think that really adds a dimension to the journey that is very special.